Welcome to this short video on setting up your safety boundary and starting a simulation. If the headset picture is blurred for you, please refer to our previous video to adjust the image. The simplest way to adjust this is to move the front of the headset up and down. As another reminder, please remember that you almost always use the trigger buttons to make selections in VR headsets. With your headset comfortably on your head and switched on, you may be asked to set up your safety boundary. You can follow the on-screen guides to do this. You are usually first asked to set the floor level by bending down and touching it with the controllers. Then you are asked to create your safety boundary. You can select stationary, which creates a circle around you and is useful when you are sat in a chair or want to set the boundary quickly. Or you can create the area yourself by pointing the line pointer and pressing one of the triggers to draw the shape around you. Make sure to connect the shape you are drawing behind you too. Be wary of any obstacles. You should always have enough room around you for your own safety and the safety of others. Like I said earlier, the on-screen guides are helpful at guiding you on how to set up everything I've just mentioned. When you arrive at the headset's main menu system, you will need to find the applications installed on it. The Apps button is usually found on the lower menu bar and looks different depending on your headset. You can hover the line pointer over icons to display their use. Once in the installed application list, you can select the simulation you want to begin. The list may need scrolling down, so use the on-screen scroll bar or use the right thumbstick to do this. Sometimes the list may have been shortened, so you need to look for a way to expand it by using the button icons or a drop-down menu. Please note that some headsets may not display our logo next to the simulation's name. Hopefully this video has helped familiarize you in how to begin a simulation.